Hello everyone, in this video let me explain you about the random forest classifier algorithm which I used here. Random forest classifier basically means the combination of the decision tree algorithms. So as the name suggests, it is a classification algorithm and it is used here to classify the diabetes patients based on the dataset. Okay, so as seen here, let me explain the code first. So we are importing an numpy and we are importing pandas, and from sklearn.model underscore selection we are importing trade underscore test underscore split. Then from sklearn.metrics import accuracy score. Then we are printing the data. We have v.read underscore csv. With that we are assigning that data set to the variable data. Then we are printing the data. Then from sklearn.ensemble import random forest classifier. So here we are importing random forest classifier from sklearn.ensemble. Okay, then from sklearn.impute impulse imputing simply imputer. So this is basically used to for replacing the null values. Okay, so simple imputer is basically used for replacing the null values. I think here there is no null values, but I use here to replace the null values which is present in the data set. Okay, so like strategy is equal to mean, in the sense it will sum all the values and it will print the value which suits the value better. So let me explain this clearly in another video about the algorithms used for replacing the null values. So here let me give a brief description of this. Okay, so we are basically using this to replace the null values in the dataset. Okay, then we are considering from pregnancies to age as x and outcome as y. Okay, then we are training and testing the data set. So train underscore test underscore split of x underscore y, x comma y. Then test underscore size is equal to 0.2 basically means we are training 80% the data set and we are testing 20% the data set, and random state is equal to 42 basically means the value should not be changing every time we test and train the data set. So we are using that here, and we are fit underscore transform x train x or x train y train basically means since we are replace the null values, then we are fitting and transforming the values of x alone, because that values are only contain the null values. So I think here then y train is equal to y is a tree shape of since this dataset contains some sort of null values or uncertainties in the value, we are doing these pre-processing steps here. Okay, so we can use this before the training and testing of the dataset also, but I'm using it after because I got the error after training the dataset, so I did this after the dataset. So this I did not pre-process the dataset before because I did not check the dataset properly. So after that only I checked the dataset and I got the error like there are null values in the dataset. So after that only I pre-process the dataset after training and testing. So then x underscore test we are replacing the values, then we are fitting and training, transforming the values of x, y and y test also. Then model is equal to random classifier. We are assigning the random forest classifier to the variable called model. Then we are fitting x train and y train. Then we are making predictions, like predictions is equal to model that predict of x test. So then we are giving these values and checking whether these values predict the correct values or not. Then accuracy score is equal to y test comma predictions. Accuracy is equal to 0.75. I think we got the same for decision tree also. 3 2. So the same only, but if we increase the number of data in the data set, we can get a better accuracy score than this. So I hope you clearly understand this video. This is actually a simple uh, algorithm. It's where pre-processing is necessary here because the data set is not clear. So I think I have clearly got you this about random forest classifier. So thank you for watching this video. These steps are unwanted if the data set is already clean. Okay, from extend is equal to npd.fit up to this is basically not needed. If the data set is clean and the data set is not clean, and I got the error after training and testing the data set only. So I I cleansed the data set after getting error. So that made the difference here. So thank you for watching this video fully. Thank you.